I will show you how to set up OBS and go live in less than 3 minutes.
In Google, type OBS download and open the first site. Now click download installer. Now once you have OBS installed, open it. Because you just installed it, you won't have all of this, so let's add a quick scene. Now you're going to add sources. So if you're streaming your screen, then add a display capture.
Now if you have a webcam, I will show you how to add it, but did you know that you can use your smartphone for free as a webcam with up to 4K resolution? Check out this video after this one.
Anyway, if you have an existing webcam, go to sources and add a video capture device.
Now for the last part, you need to grab your stream key from Twitch.
Click on the small profile picture in the corner. Create your dashboard. Settings, stream, and then click copy. Now once you've copied it, go back to OBS, go to settings, stream, and paste it in the stream key box and click apply.
Now you're ready to stream. Make sure to subscribe and like and check out this video if you want to turn your smartphone into a webcam.